So if you just saw that, there's a bit of a cell coming over, almost 1 in the morning, the night before leaving. Bit of a cell coming through, there's lightning and thunder. Hope the weather is mostly clear tomorrow and the performance is quite good. And let's cut to that. Okay, so it is about 7:50 in the morning, gonna leave in a few minutes, or 7:55 more like. And as you can see, it's clear. I'm gonna see RAD Wursten, the A-10s, parachuters, Thunderbirds, the F-35, and something else. Let's see. Also forgot to mention, first air show in 4 years. Been here in Idaho for 3 years now. My first air show here. Last vlog was like air show 2019. Don't even know which one that was. I'm getting a much better phone, much nicer camera this time. But I get some way better footage of the planes this year. Heck yeah. There's security checkpoint. The shuttles to get in are a bunch of school buses, like 11, 12, 13 school buses. But
if you want it, full of ice water. Yep. I'm gonna put it underneath mine here.
one of the A-10s. Yeah, that's an F-18 cockpit down there. Another F-16 right there too. Even a buggy. What is that thing? Shit. Take a photo of that guy. Pop in right there. Plane on a string. That's interesting. Look at this thing.
Yeah.
Getting dizzy. Wow. That is, I'm not sure.
P50. What's the other P?
P-47 or something?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Cessna, huh?
A Cessna for the Air Force
For
right
the
now.
Air Force.
Wow. Interesting.
Get over there. I'll take a picture.
Tanks over there. Yeah.
That's
wow.
crazy. That's so cool.
B-25, I think.
You see where the yellow stripes kind of split off? Go stand right there. I want to go out over there.
All right.
When you're done.
And F-15, F-35's over there.
Yeah, take your own pictures, dude.
Up close, better view.
I can forward you mine.
F-35's here. Yeah. Yeah. Eagle.
All right. Get over by the rail.
What are these ought to fly today? What are the F-35s from behind? All right, dude.
I mean, everything's in.
Kind of the main jets here. F-15 from behind.
Wow.
Some T-5s or trainers or something over there. Big old Humvee, SWAT, something. Wow. A couple of Mustangs here.
That's a Mustang.
Yeah, P-51. Huge helicopter.
South Dakota Dynasty.
There we go, parachute. Yeah.
Oh, we got parachute.
The Misty Blues are flying what are known as ram air canopies. They're a far cry.
They're up there somewhere, can't see them yet.
These rectangular canopies, in fact, have tubes. There's two airfoils, kind of like a biplane with two wings, and there's tubes in between allowing them to have relative airflow and give them a glide ratio of about 2.
Made up the Misty Blues rescue team from all walks of life. The team consists of several members, including that of
holding real jobs, as they say, of pipe fitters, welding instructors, financial analysts, jewelry designers, real estate agents, and more.
Upside down the whole way there.
With a series of high-speed catwalks on the downhill look at this airplane as he goes through one of those gyroscopic maneuvers I was telling you about. He likes to call that the pearl necklace. It's kind of like going for a ride in your washing machine because he goes nose for tail, tail for nose. He's the center of our aerobatic box with a roar rate of second. The MX2 is rated to a positive and minus 16 G's and is the only aircraft capable of meeting RAD's extreme demands and trade maneuvers, just like that one that he likes to call the top. Foot show line once again. The smoke is swirling in the sky, but with incredible precision, you can see in each and every one of their incredible maneuvers. RAD is very excited to work alongside Elevate Your Life is high. If you're a 200,000 like me, to the right, you're climbing up to altitude. What are you setting up for?
So what I'm going to do is we have the most ideal conditions ever, and it's up to me to get this job done. And you, I guess you got to help me out. So we're going to drop big thumbs up to the sky today.
Yeah.
And
Remember,
thumbs up.
a thumbs up in the sky. Remember doing that? Yeah.
Every single person out there gets their thumb out in front of their face. We're going to draw this together. We're going to go for the thumb.
Yeah.
Coming straight downhill, baby. That is indeed a thumbs up. How about that, ladies and gentlemen?
Wow. There it is.
put you in the...
Liz, what happened? Oh, this is not good at all. Yeah,
Got a comedy act.
Ben Wubnowski, yes, sir, yeah. So it appears, oh, this is not good at all. Liz is in a frantic mess at the moment. Uh-oh, he's about to fight forward. Holy moly. Well, hey, this is... I feel like we need to call the authorities, but I think we are the authorities. We'll try to do it anyway. Ben, this is Luke. Do you copy the announcer? Oh, pull up, Ben. Oh, gosh, he just about turned into a plant out there. And,
Yeah, so I don't know if Ben can hear me, and I'm not sure if he even knows how to transmit back, so we're going to try to walk him through things, and he might be able to hear me over the speakers. Ben, if you will, just go ahead and level the airplane out, keep the stick centered, there you go.
Whoa, yeah, don't mix it up too much. There you go. He's bouncing up and down.
All over the place.
This guy's a nut.
I can actually see him. There's a fuel truck
on the other side of the airport. He's got the right idea. He's trying to get out of Dodge. Hold on. Listen.
Kyle Franklin was that guy's name. That was so funny. That is fast and burst, like 400 miles an hour.
Happy birthday. This is his birthday week, and what a great way to celebrate his birthday by flying not 2, but 3 acts today at the Gowen Air Show.
Victory roll.
As we recover and launch of our analyzers, we're going to be heading off.
Bit of a break. All of the commercials just come in.
30 minutes time with the U.S. Army.
More parachuters later on. Not sure what is happening. There are a bunch of police cars and stuff. Brad just left.
This is our salute to all of you attending today's show. Watch for the parachute. And there you have the iconic black and gold of your United States Army parachute team, the Golden Knights. As they approach this target area, they'll slow their parachute to set up for accuracy. Once it's in position, he will stop his parachute with called installer. Target area at highway speeds. Mark demonstrating an excellent thrust-to-weight ratio of the Alpha Jet as they accelerate 140 miles an hour. And this is right up in the Omega. Beautiful smoke if it's flying with the
us out of here. In person, that looks mad.
In the upright, fully developed flat spin maneuver thought back in the day to be unrecoverable. As he goes through a series of spins, but he's not done quite yet as the wings reconnect with the air.
I have never seen the Thunderbirds in person. This is my first time. They're fired up over there.
Yeah.
And
God, that's scary.
so we are now leaving. So is everyone else.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up from Columbus, Georgia, Master Sergeant Rami Batter.
And just like that, right back where this video began, in my room, but it's later in the day. It's like 4:30 something. Got this F-35, little souvenir, like a neck type thing, whatever it is. Yeah, that is the best air show I have been to by far, and I'm so happy that I finally saw the Thunderbirds in person. Was looking forward to that, and I was ready for that one sneak pass. Yeah, that was a phenomenal air show. That beats like smoked Sonoma County, like wings over wine country. Yeah, wow. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to show support for the channel. That was my first vlog in 4 years, first air show in 4 years, my first air show here in Idaho. And it was a much bigger airport, much better acts. Not that, you know, back in California, that 2018, 2019, not that those were bad, they weren't. But this just trumped that. I mean, the freaking, like the F-15s, the F-35, the Thunderbirds, all that you just saw, that was phenomenal. And in person, oh my goodness. So if you like and subscribe, thumbs up for my first vlog in 4 years, first air show in 4 years. And yeah, see you next time on whatever, more games or something, I don't know.